So hey my loves, welcome again to my channel. So this video will be a very quick one. Okay, I went into Target and I stumbled on this drop that came in, I think today or the night before, and the drop is by Tabitha Brown. So Tabitha Brown is partnering with Target to bring you a limited time swim clothing and accessory collection bursting with radiant hues and endless joy. It ranges from rattan beach bags. It goes to swimwears. You can get like jumpsuits. You can get like skirts. You can get like two-piece shirts. You can get like t-shirts. Like diverse collection. Like it's so beautiful. And the line I'm showing you right now, this is the only neutral I would say. Okay, the other ones are like really colorful, like very colorful, but this one you can find like the polka dots, you can find like the brown, and the rattan bag showing you right there is so gorgeous, and they were so inexpensive. I think the most was like $35. That's another thing I really like with this drop. Okay, it's really affordable. You can get some for 20 something dollars, $30, and even $35. Okay, and the colors that I saw actually dominant in this collection would be blues, would be pinks, would be oranges. Okay, they were really nice. So what I did is I took a few items to the fitting room to go try and to see how they actually fit, and then I'm just showing you around like what styles and patterns they actually have. You see the rattan clutch purse was so gorgeous. It also comes in black. Those are actually beach towels. I mean, it's just exciting. So this is the first dress I'm trying on. This was my favorite of them all. I love the orange, I love the blue, I love the cutout at the back, and I also paired it with this orange beach hat just to actually tie the look together. This was my absolute favorite. I just love the fit. I just love how everything was, and this was a size 6. And the next one is this lovely pink, I would say midi dress. We had this cutout in front, you know, and the strap was quite adjustable, the pink and the red. I matched this with a black beach hat just to tie up the look as well. This was my second favorite. I just love how breathable and how lovely the fabric is. One thing I need to also point out is that all of the fabrics are quite breathable, again quite inexpensive. Okay, this was in a size medium or a size 6. And the next one was one that I didn't like too well. It just did not fit my silhouette. It didn't complement my style at all. Is this polka dot two-piece. Okay, and that's just like a skirt and a button down top. Again, it wasn't my favorite at all. I paired it up with this beach hat. I just wanted to show you diverse collection and how they all look, but this wasn't it at all. I took this right back. And the next one I also really like is this lovely blue deep v-neck dress. I paired it up with the beach hat as well. Okay, I couldn't zip this one by the side because of the invisible zipper. You know, I think it was faulty, I'm not sure, but it refused to zip up. It wasn't tight at all. This one I actually liked so well. And the next one, the jumpsuit, was one of my favorite as well. It was so comfortable, it was breathable, it was just all shades of gorgeous. For me, it was nice. I actually paired it up with the black beach hat as well. This you can wear to the beach, you can wear outing, you can wear for brunch. With so many you know, occasions, you can actually rock this particular jumpsuit. Really gorgeous. And the next one is this skirt, this burst of color skirt, and this black t-shirt. The black t-shirt for me did not suit me too well. I didn't like it, so I sent it right back. Okay, but the skirt was really nice. I really love the colors and the pattern, so I switched up the black t-shirt for this lavender t-shirt, which is also from Target, and it's only $5. Okay, you can see how nicely it pairs with this 3-layered skirt. Together is a vibe. Together you can rock it to the beach with this orange beach hat. So guys, thank you so much. That's all I have for you in this video. Okay, thank you and enjoy your day.